All right, good morning, y'all. It is June 25th, and I just want to give y'all a quick update of the garden. So mainly, I want to take a look at this sweet potato. Well, I want y'all to take a look at the sweet potato slips I transplanted the other day. As you see a lot of the leaves or the foliage is kind of withered down, turning brown, trying to die off, and you actually see more foliage starting to come back. I should have gave y'all a look at it just the next day after. All of it looked like it was dead. But if you look at these vines, right, you see, like for example, this vine I have in my hand here. This vine here look pretty dead, right? Now give it a few days. Some of these vines may die 100% off, and others may just come back, revive themselves. So I'll keep y'all posted so y'all can see what's going on every so many days. Just taking a look down here, I see like leaf discoloration. Don't like mildew or anything like that, so I'll go down and check it out, see what's going on. Anyway, let's go back to the beginning of it, or to the front of the garden, and just look at the watermelon first. So this is the watermelon patch, right? It's getting it's getting fuller, and it appears, since this is a sweet baby watermelon, it just don't vine out as much as the variety we had last year, which was crimson sweet. Dropped my scissors. I brought my scissors out for a reason. To go and get this cucumber. But let's take a look at some of these melons. See how big they are now. Just a little bit bigger than they were the other day. That was a bigger one somewhere around here. I'm looking over it. Oh, okay, right here. Yep. So dark now, hard to see it. So this is the biggest one. Haven't seen any yield from the cantaloupe yet. But as far as my cucumbers, right? This one here was very small the other day. Now it's coming. It's growing pretty big. Got this one. And this is the one I want to take in today. You see that? It's don't have a spot on it. So I'm thinking there's rottage. So this thing is probably about as big as it's going to get. There's a little worm on the bottom of it. Yeah, a little bit worm on the bottom of it. Alright, how did this one look? I think these things are ready. That's just the color they're going to be. So I'll take that one in and see how it looks in the inside. Alright, this is squash, right? So we got a lot of squash coming in. Yeah, they're really getting bigger. There's one there. This is the little cluster of them. Not too big. We got one there. And of course you got this one here in the front. This one hadn't grown in a few days, so that's probably about big as it's gonna get. So I may go harvest that one too. Go ahead and take it in the house. So look at these leaves, right? I don't know what's with that. Why are they that color? I don't know. But I don't know what this thing gonna do this year, because I haven't seen anything going on it thus far, so I don't know what it's gonna do. This is a chart. No, I'm sorry. That's kale. That's the kale. This is the chart. Green beans. And we plucked all those the other day. Potatoes. And just a few sweet potato slips left behind. Y'all, I'm kind of tired, so I'm gonna wrap this one up pretty quick. I just want to come out and show y'all this, show y'all the sweet potato slips that I transplanted the other day, and that one cucumber. I guess I'll show y'all how I'm going to harvest this thing. It's pretty simple. Just take the scissors. We're just gonna cut it off the vine. Take the scissors like that, cut it off the vine. Just like that. And take her in the house. It's about it's my hand, so it's about 5 inches. It's not soft at all. Still pretty hard. So, let's see how it turn out. Anyway, y'all, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you back on the next episode. Y'all be good. Keep your diet clean. Exercise. Get plenty of sun, plenty of sleep, plenty of water, plenty of pure water. Anyway, take care of yourself, and I'll see y'all back. All right, y'all, so this is the cucumber that I picked out the garden earlier. I cut it, and I just sliced that little part off that looked kind of rotten. But anyway, let me give it a cut here. How about here? And give it a quick taste. But anyway, that's how the inside look. It looked like a cucumber, right? So let's get this part here a little taste. Move my hand out the way. All right. Tastes delicious to me. Just white in color, but nice and crunchy. Tastes like a cucumber. With a salt on it, be real good. Anyway, y'all, so just want y'all to see how the cucumber looked that I picked from the garden earlier. Just to take another look at it. That's it. That's how it look. So it's not as green as what you used to see inside the grocery store, but has cucumber seeds all in the middle of it, and look good, tastes good. Anyway, let y'all see my hair beard. So anyway, yeah, well, we're looking something prettier than me. Madam's home from work.
Hi, everybody.
Anyway, we'll see y'all next time. Keep you healthy.